A good fan should make you feel more comfortable while also being energy efficient, gentle on the ears, and easy to control. There are many products available to choose sit-up pillows, each with different characteristics, benefit, and prices, to help you make an informed decision. I did extensive research, read tons of review, and compiled a list of the best sit-up pillows from reputable brands. After much research, I found those products much helpful for people like you. If you want to know about the price and other information, be sure to check my description. So without any further delay, let's jump into the video. Number 1. Vornado 630 Mid-Size Whole Room Air Circulator Fan. The Vornado 630 Medium Air Circulator is a simple, powerful, and reliable fan that can move huge amounts of air without making too much noise. The vortex created by this fan circulates all of the air in a room better than an oscillating fan, without the distraction of intermittent gusts. This fan is compact, without any embellishments like a remote or a timer. But the minimalist design touches, including a readily accessible speed control dial on the side, make the Vornado 630 easy to use, clean, and maintain. Vornado puts out plenty of fantastic fans, and they're backed by a 5-year warranty. We have found that the 630 in particular offers the best balance of power and energy savings. Number 2. Vornado 660 AE Large Whole Room Works. The Vornado 660 AE Large Air Circulator comes with built-in Alexa compatibility, but the real appeal lies in the fact that it's one of the most powerful room circulators we've ever tested. Quieter and less energy-intensive than our top pick, the 660 still produces a substantial breeze you can feel from over 20 feet away, and that's without using the almost too powerful turbo mode. The onboard controls can be a little tricky to use, but we more often found ourselves relying on the built-in voice commands anyway. We would suggest this model as an excellent option for anyone who may prefer voice or phone control for mobility reasons. Number 3. Vornado 610 DC Energy Smart Medium Air Circulator Fan. The Vornado 610 DC Energy Smart Medium Air Circulator is a great choice for people who want less noise, more energy savings, and more adjustability overall. Its infinitely variable speed control dial allows you to dial in the perfect power setting to match your needs, and to balance that wind with your ideal volume and energy use. It also comes with an exceedingly generous 10-year warranty. The 610 DC isn't necessarily better at moving air than our top pick, but these features do make for a nicer experience overall, even if this fan is more expensive. Fortunately, you'll be able to offset the price difference with the money you save in energy costs in just a few years. Number 4. Trio Fans for Home Bedroom. With a lot of inexpensive fans, you get what you pay for. But that's not the case with the Trio Fox one, which performed comparably to our top pick. The draft it produced didn't fill up the room with the same robust breeze you get from an air circulator like our top pick, but it came close, while costing about half the price. This fan is easier to clean than the Vornado 630, with a single screw to keep the grill in place and an easily removable blade. The simple, effective Fox one seems better designed and more durable than other similarly priced models. And that's a good thing, since it's covered by only a 30-month warranty. Number 5. Drio Smart Fans for Home Bedroom. The Drio Polyfan Max S Smart Fan offers a lot in addition to its height advantages. Its DC-powered motor means it's quieter and more energy efficient than most other fans, and its oscillation abilities include 3 different horizontal arcs options, plus a vertical setting. The result is a fan that seems to paint the room in a multidirectional blanket of breeze. Although we didn't love the onboard controls, the Polyfan Max S offers plenty of other options for dialing in your perfect wind, including a remote control, smartphone app, and voice commands. It's also incredibly easy to clean. However, its 1-year warranty is significantly shorter than those of our other picks, even with the optional 18-month extension. That's all from my end. I make helpful video daily, so do subscribe my channel. If you need more information or if you want to know product price, do check out my description. For any kind of problem, please comment below. Stay updated with our cool products, as it will make your life much more easier.